Are you struggling financially or finding it difficult to adequately provide for yourself following a divorce or breakdown of a de facto relationship? If so, then it may be time for you to consider making a claim for spousal maintenance. Spousal maintenance is essentially court-ordered payments made by your ex-spouse to support you financially while you get back on your feet following separation. A grant of spousal maintenance must be awarded within 12 months of a divorce or 24 months of a de facto separation. As such, it is important to act quickly if you require the support. Section 75 of the Family Law Act provides an extensive list of matters to be considered when awarding spousal maintenance. Such factors include financial support while pursuing education, seeking employment, or enabling a party to continue their role as a parent. This list of factors goes on to include a wide variety of situations. If you are wondering whether you may be eligible for a grant of spousal maintenance, please get in contact with our office today. Our friendly and experienced family lawyers can help you by discussing your options and determining your eligibility. I hope you have found this information helpful. Thank you for watching.